Good morning, everyone. And usually, I take one Senegen's product to talk about on Tuesday. But today, I thought I will just combine few because I have already did individual videos on all these. What I'm going to talk about is the treatments from Senegen's. If you see the beauty book, you will see once you finish your basic skincare, because I know I always talk about the basic skincare where you need to pick your cleanser, day and night moisturizers, because that is like a must have, in the sense like those are basic, like it's like how you have your own toothpaste and toothbrush kind of. So it is like it's a must have for everyone. So once you pick your basic skincare from here, the next one I will suggest is going with exfoliators, and then are the treatments, whichever the concern is. For example, I use the normal to oily line, so I have the normal to oily line cleanser daytime and nighttime. So once you have a routine of using those, then you can go ahead and do the problem areas. You don't have to use every single one of them unless you have problems in those areas, because if you see the beauty book, that will be the next step where it says treat. So usually it has 4 of them, but I have included one more from the recent edition. So the 4 treatments we have are either brightening treatment, the anti-wrinkle treatment, the dark circle treatment, and the spot on treatment. So these 4 are the ones that was listed. So they all are same size, and they all come in this airless pump. So when it comes to Senegen's, it comes in this airless pump. That way every single drop will get pushed and you will be able to use it. I wanted to include the retinol along here because that is also considered like one of the treatments, and retinol also goes as the first thing when you do your skincare. So if you are having problem areas, for example, if you see crow feet near your eyes, the wrinkles are here, then you will start with anti-wrinkle. For me, I use most of these treatments twice night. That is how I use. So for example, anti-wrinkle and all, I don't have wrinkles starting, but still it's never hurt to start anti-aging early. So I use it twice a week, just like a tiny drop on all those problem areas, like where I will see starting wrinkles. So anti-wrinkle is for people who are looking for like slowing down the wrinkles and fine lines and all. So the same way, brightening, I think it was always on my top seller, because if you have sunspots, age spots, acne marks, all those stuff, then brightening treatment will be your go-to. This has 2 types of stabilized vitamin C. That's why it is in this encapsulated blue instead of the white, because vitamin C is will react. So they wanted it to be encapsulated. This has vitamin A too, like the retinol. So if you have already your skin is used to this, then you can easily move to retinol. This one, my husband uses it all the time. He likes brightening treatment. I used to use till I had my acne marks. Today I just have my eye look and lip. Other than that, I just have skincare, because since I am talking about treatments, I didn't want to do CCTM or foundation. So this is my bare face. You can see the pictures in the group. There will be tons of it with my acne marks. As you know, as I have already said, like you will have few of them pop up during your process. It is not that it is going to completely stop, because all these problems are not created with one. So it can be hereditary, it can be stress, it can be environmental, or it can be hormone, your food habits. There are so many things that goes into these things. So not just doing one thing is going to help. It is like an overall process you need to understand, and make sure you take care of yourself well. So, and for my eyes, I have used smoked shimmer along with mauve shimmer. I really like this combo. It's really subtle, but it's really it's even pretty in person, because I feel that this will be my go-to for any parties or anything, because it's really subtle. And if you want to add more glitters, you can either top it with rose gold, or even you can do shell glitter on top of it to make it more glittery. So that's the eye look I have. And for my lip look, I have Summer Treat, pastel pink, and then Summer Treat, and I have topped it with matte gloss. So that's the one I have it on lip. So as I said, I don't have anything on my skin, because I know I have traveled so much, so I am very confident in my own skin. I don't feel I don't what to say, like even if some marks pops up, I am sure that I can take care well with the skincare, because I know once you start exfoliating and using these skincare will obviously reduce those marks. So that is the main reason I ask you to pick one treatment which is your concern, because I know it will maybe look overwhelming to if you want to include everything at one, but instead if you have your basic skincare set, then adding an exfoliator makes it even easier, because the same way exfoliator you are going to use only twice a week, and just like a tiny drop, but it makes a huge difference, because once you take out those dead skin cells, these treatments can penetrate well and work even better. So, and all these treatments, I prefer to use it as the first thing after I cleanse my face, because that way they can penetrate deep into your skin and treat it better. And you will just use like a tiny drop. As I say, these are concentrated, because as I said, these vitamin C are encapsulated and stabilized, so they get activated only when you pump. So you need just a tiny drop for to work, so you don't need a lot. And the same way, the spot on acne treatment, if you are someone who doesn't have so much of acne breakouts like me, where I have one or two popping up here and there during my monthly time, or even during stress, what I do is I don't know whether you can see the bottle. Yeah, it's still here. Yeah, I think here you can see. So it's like I've been having this for more than 8 months, I would say. So like you will just use like a tiny dot on top of where you broke out, and that way it can treat it. And the good thing about spot on is either it will subsidize it, or it will pull out all the junk. That way it will get treated well, and it also treats the bacteria in that area. The same way, the dark circle treatment, I know many of you have pinged me with the dark circle treatment, and eyes are one of the toughest place you need to start working on, because it's not going to be overnight. As I said, like any other factors, your sleep, your looking at your phones, all those things matters when it comes to your dark circle, because if you are going to have sleepless nights, just not using this is going to help. It is just an aid, but still you need to do parallelly. So using dark circles treatment, at least you will finish one bottle before you see the results, because as I said, you are not going to use tons of products. You will just use like a tiny drop, and at the same time, patience is the key when it comes to any of these treatments, because it's nothing will happen overnight, because anytime damages can be done overnight, but the treatments take time and you need that patience to work on it. And consistency is the next key, because I know some people will start but then they leave it halfway and forget it. I will say that's why include one product at the time. That way it will make it into your routine before you introduce the next one. And skin is another organ. It is not like you can see results overnight, because it has to understand that you have introduced a new thing, and then it has to start working on it. So give it at least 6 weeks before you expect some results from these products. And since these products you are going to use just tiny drop, make sure you do it when you have time. Like, it's not going to take like 4-5 hours to finish this. It's just 2 minutes of your day. Whenever you are, that way now everybody is home. Even if you go to office, just come. When the moment you come home, if you know that you are not going to go out, or don't wait till you crash, like the minute before you go to bed, because that's when you try to skip. Instead, try to include these around the time, like before dinner or something, where you get even 2-3 minutes, because hardly it takes like 1 minute, less than a minute to finish this. You just need to clean your face, you use the treatment, you seal it with the cleanser. You seal it with a moisturizer, whether it's a day or night. If you need faster results, most of them you can see the beauty book, it will say you can use it both times, except the retinol. Because I have included the retinol part of this too. The retinol is looks very similar to the brightening treatment. They both have vitamin A in different forms. This is even highly concentrated. So for me, I use one retinol. I have so far used only twice a week. You can move up to every night if you need faster results, but you will slowly work into it. You will not rush. Retinol is one which you don't want to rush, because it's a part of, as I said, it was introduced part of acne treatment, and then they saw the results, and finally they moved it to like a product by itself for fine lines, wrinkles, and all those spots. But it's not with Senegens, I'm talking about in general. So I've been in 3 weeks now with retinol, but I'm using it only twice a week so far. So you don't want to rush it. Even though I have already used brightening, I use vitamin C, all those stuff, I'm still taking it time for my skin to understand it. That way it doesn't overreact, because retinol tends to dry your skin. Obviously, I think people who have used acne treatment will know this better. Acne treatments always dry out your skin. So this may dry out, because I already use climate control, so that way my unseal it with a moisturizer, so that way mine is not that dry. But still, when you know how to use these best, then you get the best results too. So make sure you watch the videos when I share. Make sure you read the description. As I said, retinol and all has the description inside clearly, so you will understand the product better to get the better results. So the first step is always making sure having the basic skincare set and adding one exfoliator. And even climate control and Seneserum C is like, like a must have, I would say, for everybody. There is no option in it, because those are like good for every skin type. So climate control is one product which I cannot live without in this skincare line. So it's with hyaluronic acid. So once you finish all those, then pick one from here, whichever you want to treat. So all these comes in the airless pump, and they all are like equal quantity. They all are 15 ml bottles. But as I said, the problem area depends on every skin tone. So some may have acne popping up, some may have wrinkles popping up. I know dark circle is part of many of the people. So pick one. I'm going to share the videos I did individually for these. That way you can understand and more about each of these products, because today, since I did as a group, I'm not going deep into that, but I'm going to link the YouTube videos I did for each one of these. My package with all the things are coming either today or tomorrow. So tomorrow I may pop in the live to show all the new products. And I have finished my 50th day. So with the workouts, I've been doing 6 miles for past 20 days, and I think when I started I did just 3 miles at home. So I'm looking forward for another 50 days. So thank you so much for all the encouragement in that, and you all have a wonderful day. See you all soon.